Hello, beautiful and wonderful people. Welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make easy birthday cake or anniversary cake. This turned out so easy, and trust me, it's so delicious. So let's get started. Let's start with a sponge cake. For the sponge cake, add eggs in your mixing bowl and then add in sugar. But as you can tell here, I'm adding in the sugar whilst whixing it. So you use your hand mixture to mix or to whisk it until the color changes onto it's light pale yellow, just like this. So you have to whip it until you get to this consistency. I'll then go ahead and add in sunflower oil and then whip again, but then you can use butter instead of the oil. I prefer using oil. So after mixing it together, I then added in flour, baking powder, vanilla essence. I'll sieve these ingredients together and then add it to the butter. The flour and the milk, I divided it into two and then I added to it bit by bit. The last thing I added was salt. So I'll mix until it has come together and then I'll add in the milk. I'll then mix again until well combined, add in the last flour and then the last of the milk. Basically, this is the cake. It's so easy, and then it's simple making your own. You can even make this for your kid's birthday, for your husband's birthday, for your anniversary, and trust me, it's so easy making this. After everything has come together, make sure you brush your bowl with a little bit of oil or butter and then sprinkle flour in it so that it shouldn't stick to it when done baking. Turn in the butter and then make sure you tap to take out the excess air bubbles. Bake this at 175 degrees Celsius from 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick is inserted and comes out clean, just like so. I'll then take out the surface. I'll take out the surface and then turn it on my wire rack. I'll leave it for it to cool down completely before using it. So this is it. You have your sponge cake. It's soft and trust me, it's so delicious. Now let's move to the cream. We're going to whip the cream. So this is the cream that I'll be using and then I'll whip it until it's firm. I didn't add in anything to it, but then if you want, you can add in cream cheese and then whip until it's thick or until it's firm, like so. That's what you're looking for. I'll then take 1/4 of it and then I'll add in red food color, but then you can use any color of your choice. You can choose any color at all, but I'm going in for red. Even mine at the end, it didn't turn out the red I'm looking for because my color got finished. So this is a color that it turns out more or less like red. Let's take it like that. I'll put it in my piping bag and then keep it aside or put it in the fridge whilst the cake is cooling down. So guys, this is it. I kept it in the fridge until it was ready to be used. Now let's move on to the cake. After everything has cooled down, like the cake has cooled down completely, it's time for you to assemble it. Make sure you put it right in the middle. As I placed mine right in the middle. What I'm spreading right now is pastry cream filling. So this is it. You can use jam or you can use pastry cream filling. Make sure you spread it evenly and then add in the next layer. So I did 2 layers of sponge cake, and trust me, Mama Mia, this cake. Make sure you trim off the excess and then make sure it's well leveled. Now I mixed sugar with water. I stir it till the sugar dissolves completely and then I brush it on it. I wanted the cake to be very soft, but if you're a type that you don't like soft cake, avoid this process. Lastly, I'll spread on top the cream sorry guys, the cream, and then make sure you spread it well, like it's well leveled. And that's it guys. It's very simple. With a little bit of practice, it will be very easy for you to make cakes for your children, for your birthday, or for your anniversary. Just look at this. So the last thing I'm doing is that I dip my spatula in the warm water, and then make sure I smooth the cake just like so. So guys, this is it. It's very simple, it's easy. Make sure you use your spatula, always dip it in water, and then make sure you make it a little bit smooth. It makes it more nice. Even me, I was not having time. It would have been more nicer than this. I used the normal pastry brush to brush it like so, and this is it. You can make any design of your choice, guys. This is so simple, and it's easy making this. Try this for your family, for your kids, and they will love it. Finally, I'll use the one that I added the red food color to it to decorate it. And it's simple and easy making this one. Place the tip in the middle, and then roll it like you're drawing a circle shape, just like so, and you're good to go, guys. You're good to go. Lastly, I'll decorate the top with fresh flowers. As you can tell here, I placed it in the water for it not to die, and if not, it will die. So this is a flowers for my balcony, and it's very clean. So make sure before putting it or inserting it in the cake, wrap it with aluminium and then insert it in the cake. This is simple, it's easy, stress-free cake here, guys. Just decorate it with any flowers that you have, and you are good to go. So when you get to this point and then you are done decorating it, all you have to do is to write the happy birthday or happy anniversary, anything at all that you want to write on top. And then I'll lastly decorate it with sugar sprinkles. Guys, you are good to go. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Isn't it beautiful? The space left is for me to write something else, so don't worry, you can write anything, maybe the name, happy birthday, then you write the name. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please share. Let's take this channel to the world. Thank you all, love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.